Yo, what up, guys? Josh Diaz with a video about this case from Catalyst that I got on Amazon for the iPhone 14 Pro. This one is the Catalyst Influence case, and it just really caught my eye just because of two things. It has this new, this patented rotating mute switch, and it has louder sound, unique forward audio. And it does have up to 10 feet protection from drops. So I did unbox it earlier. I've been using it for the past few days, and it's very just simple. Comes with a little lanyard, as you can see right here. Get the lanyard. Not really my thing, but if it is something you might, that's a little plus. If that's something you might like. All right, forget that. Who cares? So this is the case right here. This is for the 14 Pro. It does come with the Max as well. Let's get a focus here. So first things first, we do have the MagSafe. So it is MagSafe compatible. So let's get that. Let's do the quick MagSafe test. Here we go. Okay, and it is solid. I am pulling it, shaking it, and it's there. Let's do my little ring here, and there we go. You can hear the snap. That is solid. So you are MagSafe and all ready to go with that. Here we have the lip protection for the camera, so you can go ahead, put it flat, and not worry about any scratches to the lens. You can see that there is lip protection also for the front screen, so you are free to place it there. Don't worry about any scratches or anything. You are all good with that lip protection. You have these little cutouts here. This is for the lanyard, just so you could attach that lanyard if that's something you like. And then let's talk about this. This is the rotating mute switch. So instead of having to dig your nail in to try to unmute or mute the phone, all you have to do is just turn this wheel here. Turn it towards you to silent, towards it away for ring. So it's really, really cool. I can see people fidgeting with this thing, but it's really cool. And I've had this in my pocket and it hasn't gone off ring on accident. You have to, it's not easy to like turn. You just gotta put some force into it. So that's really cool. Buttons, I really, really like the buttons. Really clicky. You can see kind of has a grip on it, on the volume and on the power button here. Has that grip. Has good grip, and it's not that grip that like kind of it's hard to take out of your pocket. It's still really, really easy to take out the pocket. But it's not slippery at all. Another cool thing, this is right here that came to my attention. This is the front forward speakers on the bottom. The speaker hole on the iPhone is right here. They block it off except the microphone and the charging port. So they block it off, so all the sound comes out of here. So let's do a quick test. I'm gonna play something without the case and then play something with the case. All right, so hopefully it does say copyright beat. So I'm gonna play this. The case is off. Let's see how this sounds. Okay, case back on. Let's see how this sounds. Okay, so I know it's hard hearing it from watching on video, but from me just now doing a test, I think it's not like amazing. I think what the advertisement says, about 30% louder. I think I think that's about right. It will raise it up about, I would say, 25 to 30% more louder, which is not too bad. So it'll be good for speaker calls. You know, if you want to just place it on the table and you're on speaker with somebody, the audio will come up. If you're watching anything on YouTube, one thing I did notice, that if you're watching anything, usually with my old case, if I'm holding it like this, the sound will get blocked out. But if you, with this case, your hand won't block out the speakers because the speakers are firing out from the front. So that's one good thing about this. This case is noticeably larger. I've been using for a while the MagSafe leather case. As you can see, it does add, this case has a little more bulk than this leather case here, and it is because it's more protected for drops. So if you are prone to dropping your phone, and you want some protection, I say this is a good pickup. I've seen some videos of drop tests, and it does hold up pretty well. So yeah, guys, I've been using this for a few days. It's not too bad. I have to get used to the extra bulkiness of it, just because, like I said, I'm used to that leather case. But it's not so bad. It is $60 though. Bit pricey for a case. Bit on the high end. So guys, let me know what you think. Worth it? I think not for the $60. I think this is more 20, maybe $20, $25 be a better price. And if you ask me, but it's your money. You guys do whatever you want. Guys, subscribe for more. I'll check you guys later. Peace.